how to add voiceover to Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to teach you how to add voiceover to your Instagram Reels in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram and tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then choose the video that you want to post and tap on the next option on the top right. Then on the bottom, you will see edit video. Go ahead and click on it. And then if your sound has any audio, swipe to the left, and on the very left, you will see a speaker like icon. Tap on it to mute the video's audio. Now, once you've done that, now come on the bottom and then look through the icons and you will see voiceover right there. So tap on the voiceover and you'll see a white circle. Tap on it and then your voice will start recording and you can add your voiceover to the video. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.